Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful ballet girl painting with alcohol ink and marker. So let's get started. Before we start, I just want to let you know there are some safety tips on making alcohol ink art. Make sure to pause the video and read it completely if this is your first time. And for the paper, I use this ultra premium photo paper from Staples, but you could also make the same painting in any other synthetic paper like Nara paper or Yupo paper. It's up to you, but I use this paper, but I use the non-glossy side of the paper, not the shiny side. And for blending, I use this 91% isopropyl alcohol, which we get from pharmacy store, or you could try other stores also. And I put it in a small bottle so it's easy for me to pour. And like I said, I use the non-shiny part to make the painting, not the shiny side. So let's get started. I use a piece of wax paper to pour the colors in on the side because I don't want to pour directly onto the drawing paper and make it all mess. So I use this color blue violet and glacier and another color magenta. So these three colors I'll be using. So now the third color is magenta. And I roll a piece of wax paper and use that like a brush to dip it and apply it to the drawing paper. So basically this is an abstract painting, so you can lay down the colors in whatever way you want, and then I'll show you how to blow the colors. And you can make this painting in any color of your choice, but I chose these three colors. It's up to you. You can even choose red, orange and yellow also. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe and also click the notification bell icon. So whenever I post new videos, you will be the first one to get notified. And I post videos almost every single day. And also feel free to refer my channel to any of your friends or post it in your Facebook friends circle or art groups. So please feel free to do that. So I get motivated when more and more people visit my channel. Some isopropyl alcohol, and then I use this tool air blower that I got from hardware store. It's basically a can of air, can filled with air. When you blow it, it gives out air. So that's what I'm using. Pour isopropyl alcohol and gently blow it in the outward direction. And as you can see, I made a mess on the girl's face, but don't worry, we can clean it up with isopropyl alcohol, and then I can redo the face. After this is dry, I'll show you how to clean up. You can just dip a piece of a tissue paper or a Q-tip dipped in isopropyl alcohol, and then you can clean up, and then I will redo the face. So after I cleaned up and I redid the face, this is my final drawing. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. So to clean up, just to remind you again, you can just dip a piece of Q-tip in isopropyl alcohol and then clean up the paint. That's what I did.